Hey y'all, it's Coach Jay, and I wanted to come and do a really short explanation of your internal emotional system, your IES. Now, you may not see this on Google because it's my own theory, my own view, and my thought process of what happens in our energetic existence, okay? Because we have two parts to our existence. We have our body, the physical body, the human part, the brain, and then we have our being, the energetic part, the spirit, and the heart. And I don't mean the heart that pumps blood. I mean the other heart, because we have two hearts too. And so we have two parts of our existence, our body and our being, and our internal emotional system, our IES, is how our existence handles what we experience on a daily basis and how we ultimately filter all of these moments we have in life, right? And you probably hear a lot about regulating your nervous system and calming your nervous system and all that stuff. And I believe that your nervous system functions through your internal emotional system. So if your IES is not calibrated, then your nervous system will send you tangible and physical alerts that say recalibrate. Let me kind of explain what the internal emotional system does, okay? All of the experiences we have on a daily basis in our lives have to be translated into a language that our energetic being can understand. I believe it's safe to say that our brain and our body speak one language, and our heart and our being speak another language. So our internal emotional system does the translating for us. Our being speaks the language of feelings, and our body speaks the language of experiences. And so our internal emotional system helps us make sense of it all. For example, our brain will say, hey, I'm headed to Starbucks, right? And our body will start to make the necessary movements to get us to the Starbucks. And once we get there and we get our drink and we take a sip, that's the experience, our being translates that experience into a feeling, okay? Our internal emotional system translates you sipping the coffee, you driving to the Starbucks, all of that stuff into a feeling of excitement or satisfaction or warmth or whatever it brings for you, right? Once we get that translation, our IES sends that feeling to our nervous system, and our body responds in an optimistic way. And both of our systems, the body and the being, are clear and ready to move on to the next experience. The issue here is that sometimes we don't allow our internal emotional system to do the translation, and our body gets filled with experiences that we haven't processed or filtered through our IES. This leads to us not being able to really manage our lives efficiently because everything feels heavy. And we start to turn to coping mechanisms and behaviors that don't benefit us. So what's my point, right? My point is it's imperative to understand your emotional system, your internal emotional system, your IES, and let it do its job so you can have a lighter existence in the world. Okay, that's it. That's all I got. I'll talk to y'all later.